Okay guys, this is my first time flying the DJI Avata. It's like, I bought this thing so I can go fly around. This is my first flight with it. I played around with it for a few minutes just to be able to get a little bit better idea of what the controls do. So now I'm going to start recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool to create some really cool content for you, of course, but why do you think I bought it? I'm out here in Placerville. We went into the mine today and another piece of the puzzle clicked, and we started digging down, and we did find the old lawn chair that the grandfather said was there, and we dug out a little bit of it, and we just sat back and chatted and talked, and it's really weird. None of us are just like super excited. It's wild. We are just really a lot more positive that the story is true, because he said there was a lawn chair and tools right at the end of the mine where he was digging last. So this is some of the old diggings on the private property, and of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this sucker to try and find quartz outcroppings without having to walk all over the frickin' place. I'll be able to go into places with this thing that will allow me to see very quickly where I might want to do some placer up here. There is nuggets here, of course, Placerville, famous for placer. But I'm going to be able to explore all of these old tailings, and I'm going to bring my Nopta Invenio out to all this stuff, and I'm going to start digging on this. I'm going to metal detect over here and stuff, but look at how much coverage of ground I'm going to get in all these old workings, all the old tailings. You guys down in Cathy's Valley, hey, Alan, Chase, check this fucking shit out. Look at this. I can tilt the camera down. Let me figure out the buttons here. Oops, fuck, I turned my hand and it just starts turning. But I can come up to a spot, tilt the camera down. Okay, it's all the way down actually. I can tilt it up from this point. I think. I don't know what it's doing. Well, I'm only 0.8 of a meter off the ground. But look at this. I can just inspect where I'm at. And so, boys, there is a brand new tool in town. I am freaking the fuck out. Now let's come find me. My battery ran out and I was gonna run into a tree, and so I just hit the return to home button and it landed, and I know exactly where it is, about 50-60 feet away. So there's my first flight. Fuck, that was really fucking intense. Fuck, that was intense and cool. Wow. Wow. What a fucking tool. I need batteries. Holy shit, I'm getting batteries. My God, that was killer.